Man, I would love to have one of these things. Look at it. Not that big, off-road tires. Look at this thing. This thing's crazy. Sweet. What's up, bro?
Is that good?
Yeah. You guys know this is S1's brother right here, all over from California. He drives around. This is what happens when you get rich and famous and retire. Just drive around, go in it. You go anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, retired life, retired life.
Retired life. Can we take a tour of this thing?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Man, this thing is hard to pull. Looks nice though. It's not overbearing on the eyes. They got that thing that pulls out on top, AC. Oh, step into my eye. Oh, you got mosquito net?
Yeah, it's kind of messy. It's got camping from Key West.
Oh, camping in Key West?
Yeah, it's got back, so train shower, toilet.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, it's kind of messy.
Everything is in the back, kind of like this.
Yeah,
Toilet, shower. And then, you have certain spots you go to, like plug up and dump off the stuff. Like
this has a cassette tape, so it just comes out,
okay.
and you just pull it out and take it to any rest stop, dump it. For the toilet.
Okay, okay.
And then you got the water, the gray water tank.
Gray water tank. Right
Yeah, so you go pull a hose, dump at the rest stop, wherever you have a dumping site.
Okay.
So showers, curtains.
Curtains, drawers.
Yeah.
And on top, what all do you have on top?
On top, I got a solar panel up there.
And a satellite and all that?
Wine guard for TV, for satellite.
Satellite.
And the AC.
And oh, okay. And this is pretty decent, right? I mean, it's hardcore. Like you can go anywhere.
Anywhere. It's size 18 feet.
Is a turbo diesel?
No, it's regular.
Regular.
Yeah, so it's basically you can park any parking spot you want. So it's kind of.
It's compact too.
Compact, yeah.
It's man.
So again, it's kind of dirty. So go ahead.
And this thing right here, it pulls out.
An awning comes out.
Awning comes out.
Yeah.
All right, guys. And this doesn't feel like some cheap stuff either, guys. This feels like real.
Yeah.
Thick.
So you have a fridge right here where you step in.
Fridge. Oh,
nothing
nice.
but drinks here.
Oh, cool. You got something you can cook right here.
Yep. You got a stove right here.
If anything, you hit the brakes hard. Nothing's going anywhere.
No, everything's all secure. Light switch, everything here. It controls all the panels, the vent. Tells you how many water tanks, water pump. Yeah, it's automatic.
And when you buy something like this, does it come with like a warranty, something that if anything goes, like a certain warranty that?
Yeah, if you buy from the dealership, you get a 2-year warranty from Thor.
Okay.
Manufacturing.
Okay.
So basically, you have the sink right here.
Cook right here.
Yeah, and the bed comes out right here. Extends out.
Extend out, nice.
Yeah,
nice,
so
nice.
It's a lot of coverage. I mean, it's good AC.
And this is
storage.
Storage.
All storage. All compact, just like a.
Okay.
Airline. And you have, it tells you the microwave up there.
Microwave.
After you can see all the San Diego Padres. I'm a big San Diego Padres fan, so it's my Padres man cave.
All right, looks nice.
Try to collect all the stuff where I've been to. So
you have your outlets there, USBs.
USB, yeah. It is a solar panel control. It tells you how many volts you have right there. So
and the solar panel, what does it really power? What is it?
So basically, it's boondocking. It powers 2 outlets. That outlet out there without starting the generator. So the solar A would automatically charge the battery, the house battery.
And up here is like a
storage.
And a storage. And yeah, is this like a vent fan or something? Or?
Yeah, it's a fan. This is a fan. Okay. And it controls right here, so you could go up and go down. Is it
4x4 or? Like...
No, I wish it was 4x4. No, it's 2-wheel drive.
2-wheel drive. They sell these in 4x4?
Yes, they do.
Okay.
It's another $50,000 to $80,000 more.
How much more?
$50,000 to $80,000.
Oh, okay. So it's like a really rugged 4x4. You can go anywhere. Yeah,
it costs a lot.
So if you sit here and you want to watch TV or something, they watch right here or there?
No, I have a TV basically. I have a back end storage. I bring it out. I set it right here. I plug it in there.
Plug it in there. Okay.
And that's it. This one turns around.
This completely turn around?
Swivels.
Oh man.
Make it my room. You can sit here, chit chat.
Sit right there.
Go ahead. Watch TV. And that one too.
Hey, it's nice, right?
Yeah, the driver's seat also turn around.
It turns around, so you can just. Oh, and even if you don't have that much room, you can even like turn this around and like you can sleep right here, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like.
it goes back all the way down.
This is clean, man. And they have the extended ones, so these are a little bit longer, or
yes, they do. They also make a 21 foot with the Travado.
And what size is this one?
This is 18 foot. 18 foot. This is the smallest one you'll get by Dodge ProMaster.
Okay.
So it's pretty comfy for 1 or 2 people.
Yeah,
they want to travel in and out. It has a flexibility of going to downtown to cities, hop in, hop out. And
what?
There's all the vents.
The vents. Does that any of those come out, or?
Yeah, this whole thing comes out right here. The bed, it comes out more, extends more.
Okay.
And then make it like a twin bed, so 2 people could sleep in there.
Yeah, you can actually have like 2 people and actually 2 kids. Like if you just want to go on like a little trip, there's enough.
Oh yeah.
There's room.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just nice, man. Jeez. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's take the cockpit out. Check it out, guys. So it looks comfortable. Everything feels nice. Oh, it tells you all the PSI, it tires, everything too. Damn. Retire life one day, man. Woo, check it out. Damn, looking nice. One day. Man, I still go.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.